Alrighty, so today we're going to be doing a quick technical analysis of JMIA. And lately it's actually been a huge runner, and it's the Amazon of Africa, and it's showing growth in Africa and in its stock price. So if we look at the max chart ever, it looks like JMIA started off as an IPO of maybe about $18, and then it hit highs of 49.77s. But then, as most IPOs do, they dump off and then they get to a super low price. But lately there's been some volume increase in participation. That's great to see because we may see a pretty decent recovery. Now, right now we are super extended. So in the short term, we are at resistance. And my resistance I had before JMI even hit it was 1584. High of day is 1572. Now it could blast through this, but just understand that buying up here is pretty risky. You want to wait for some sort of consolidation on the daily chart, and you want it to go sideways, or you want to buy at support. Maybe you can buy at 13 again, or you want to buy at 1170, or you want to buy at 11. So medium term above 11 is good. So JMIA can pull all the way down to $11 a share, which is a 25% correction. So be careful if you're in JMIA and you can't afford an 11% or 26% correction. Long term, above 10 is ideal, but it's okay as long as it's above $7.5 a share, so $7.50. And let's just do a quick retracement. Let's actually get our show trades off. JMIA was on our game plan on Sunday to trade this week, and we did. I could have done a little bit better job holding, but I did reload with debit spreads, and we're cooking on those. But we had a nice move up. We had some nice consolidation. And look, we had a pop. And then after a pop, we went sideways for a bit. And look, we popped again. And now we're starting to go parabolic. Remember, most parabolics need to cool off. I'm not saying that JMIA is ready to slow down. But what we can look at is retracements, or we can look at breakouts. But let's go from low to... Let's just say this is the high. It could go higher, but you could dip buy at 1050, 1247. So JMIA, be careful buying up here. If you're long, you can still ride it. That's completely fine. Look, it's still pushing. In terms of targets, if you want, we were looking at 1875. So let's go to the weekly chart to get our targets, and let's clear this drawing set. So to get our targets, if you're in JMIA and you're like, where should I take profits? Well, we're at resistance kind of right now, but 1875 is the IPO price, so that will be resistance on the first go around. So watch out for 1875. Watch out for, I think we already hit it, 1591 area. So yeah, something like that. 1591. Watch 1875. Obviously watch $20 a share, psychological 20.1 area. And then after that, there's not a lot of resistance till 27. So 27, then we'll take the high of this weekly candle, 37, 40. So lots of potential with JMIA. Just be careful. We are at resistance. It's completely normal to pull down. And JMIA is still in a long-term uptrend. 928 seems to be an important level. Look how it was resistance. Sharp rejection all the way to $2.15. That is ugly, but we're pushing up. JMI looking good. Enjoy.